Assalamu alaikum. Thank you for giving me an opportunity for a presentation. I am Mamunur Rashid, ID 1920022, Department of Tripoli, Ronald Pushasha University. Today, my topic is power system analysis. Power system analysis, they have chosen my teacher for suitable for me oil circuit breaker. Oil circuit breaker working principle of oil circuit breaker. When the fault occur in the system of contents of the breaker are moving part and our arc is struck between the contacts, the gas thus liberated surround the arc and its explosive growth around it displays the oil violently. Where are oil circuit breaker used? Minimum oil circuit breakers Minimum oil circuit breakers operate very fast and are used the transmission networks and substations. Thus, type of circuit breaker are of the live tanks design and require only a small amount of oil. Oil may be flammable and can use fire hazard if a defective oil circuit breaker should fail under pressure and can causes an explosion. There is a risk of formation of explosive mixture with the air. What is the main purpose of oil in oil circuit breaker? The oil has a high dielectric strength and provides insulation between the contacts after the arc has been exhausting. The oil used in circuit breaker provide a small clearance between the conductor and the earth components. Oil circuit breaker are the oldest type of circuit breaker. The separating contacts of the oil circuit breaker are made the separate within the insulating oil, which has better insulating properties than air. On the occurrence of the fault as the breaker contents open under the oil, air arc is struck between the breaker contents and the heat of the arc evaporates the surrounding oil and dissocates into a substantial volume and gaseous hydrogen, ethylene, and a high pressure. Advantage: the oil circuit breaker have some advantage. Arc energy is absorbed in decomposing of oil. The gas formed, which is mainly hydrogen, has highly diffusion rate of highly heat absorber in changing from diatomic to monoatomic and thus provides good cooling properties. The oil has a high dielectric strength and provides insulation between the contents after the arc has been finally exhausted. There has been a time for the oil of follow into the gap between contents. Cooling oil pressure the cooling surface in close proximity to the arc. The oil used such as transformer oil is a very good insulator and allows smaller clearance between the conductors and earth components. Disadvantage: there have some disadvantages of oil circuit breaker. Oil may be flammable and can cause fire hazard. Is a defective oil circuit breaker should fail under pressure and cause explosion. There is a risk of formation of explosive mixture with air due to the decomposition of the oil in the arc. The oil become polluted by carbon filters carbon particles which reduce is dielectric distance, hence proper periodical maintenance and replacement are required. The oil used in oil circuit breaker is inflammable, in hence cause a fire hazard. There is a risk in formation is explosive mixture with air due to decomposition of oil and arc. The carbon particles and generated with the pollution polluted the oil, and hence the dielectric resistance of the oil decreases. There have a oil circuit breakers figure. There we show that the conductors parts, that is the conductor parts, the insulator type conductor, and they have a conductor then, and we jacketed but and divided the but safely use the insulator, and there have a bushing. Will show that bushing, fixed contact, arc point, that is the arc point. This is arc point, moving contact, and in that tank have a well, this is a transformer well. They have very good insulation parts. Thank you.